Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the 2003 Harley Sportster build. Today we got a little unboxing therapy. So, as many of you guys know, I do a lot of reviews on this channel. I also do a lot of work on motorcycles, more so just taking pictures of them. And I've been working on building this one on the channel, and I haven't been very diligent about it. My passion for riding motorcycles and building motorcycles far outweighs my passion to video everything. So I get a little ahead of myself every time I get a new box in. I'm like a kid at Christmas, okay? I just want to open it up. I just want to get it on a bike. I got to see what it looks like. So today I thought I would do something a little bit different. I would unbox it with you, show you what it is, and then we're going to go over and install it on the bike together. So stay tuned. Hope you enjoy the video. All right, let's get it open. So, if I'm not mistaken, just so you guys are aware, I'm buying parts off Amazon. This is the budget bobber build, so I'm trying to stay within a very tight budget. And I may upset some of you Harley Davidson purists, and I apologize to you. The point of this build is just to be able to take a stock motorcycle and customize it for little amount of money and enjoy the ride of the bike. That's all I'm trying to do. So I have gone to Amazon, I have gone to Wish, I have bought several parts, some of which not turned out so well and some work perfectly. So let me show you what I got today. This, if I'm not mistaken, yeah, okay. This is the air cleaner. I went with a style that is going to match the motorcycle itself. The headlight has these bars on it, so does the tail light, the turn signals do, and I just thought the air cleaner would look really cool that way too. So this is the air cleaner that I picked up. It's made by Rough Crafts. I don't know who they are, never heard of them. It's an aluminum piece. Looks like it's anodized pretty well. Now I did read the reviews on this, and the reviews state that this 1/4-20 threaded rod is what actually holds this outer cover on. It's because it's real flimsy aluminum, it breaks. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to my local hardware store and I'm just gonna get some 1/4-20 threaded rod, and I'm gonna reinforce it. That way I don't have to worry about it breaking and then losing the cover down the road somewhere. But for now, we're gonna go ahead and put it on a bike and see what it looks like. And the other thing that I got were some new hand grips, because let's face it, those diamond plated ones, those are like, they were out of style years ago. I mean, if you have diamond plate handle grips or floorboards on your Harley Davidson, you're living in the 90s, man. It's time to upgrade them. So, here we go. I don't know if you can see that real well. Same thing, it's aluminum, got some good anodized coating on it. They're not real thick, okay? They're not the Avon grips, the real nice air cushioned Avon grips. These are just regular motorcycle grips. But see, I have really big paws, and I like the way that feels. And like I said before, I'm building this motorcycle for me to ride. Now I am going to sell it, but this is basically the style of hand grip that I have on my motorcycle, my 2017 Road Glide. So I figured, why not? I'll upgrade these handlebars and I'll get what I want for them. Man, these actually feel pretty good. Yeah, look at that. What is on it? Okay. Man, this looks good. I think it's gonna look good on the bike. And for all you motorcyclists know, this is carbureted, so I got the throttle and return cable line that has to go in here. And let's go get these on the bike, see what it looks like. All right, guys, I figured out a problem. When I bought this air cleaner off of Amazon, it was for a 2004 and up model Harley Davidson Sportster. Mine is a 2003. Now, I did read the comments. The comments said that it will fit this motorcycle with no problems. Well, I found a problem. This carburetor right here, this top kind of goes out on a curve here. Well, that curve fouls right here on the back of the breather plate. So what I'm gonna do is I'm an aerospace machinist. So I'm gonna go ahead and just take it to work real quick, throw it in one of my mills, and I'm gonna mill the back out of here, mill a little slot in here so that it'll sit flush in there without fouling on this top of this carburetor right here. So I'm gonna run this to work real quick, get it milled out, and then I'll be right back. All right, guys, we are back from the shop, and as you can see, I milled the relief right here. Hopefully you can see that all right. Obviously, this is a black anodized piece of aluminum, so when I machined it, you can see the raw aluminum. But let's see if it's gonna fall out on the part now, or on the carburetor. And it looks to be perfect. Okay, let me get the gasket on it. Actually, I can't put the gasket on yet. First things first is I have to get it mounted correctly with the right spacers. It gives you these little black spacers that slip in behind here. That's how it mounts to the cylinder head. But I need to know how many shims to put behind it. I gotta get it set right. So we're gonna continue to mock it up. So you obviously want it to tighten up. Oh, wow, okay. That looks pretty good, honestly. So do I not? Oh, I need a couple of shims back here. All right, guys, and there it is. The air cleaner install on Project Budget Bobber. I think it turned out pretty well. I did have to machine the bracket a little bit to make it fit. Find the right spacing, everything looks good. And there you have it. That's how you put on an aftermarket air cleaner for a 2003 Harley Davidson Sportster. Even though it was supposed to go on a 2004 and newer, we machined it a little bit to make it work. Next video, we're gonna be replacing these ugly hand grips with the new ones. So on that note, if you like what you saw here, smash that like button. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, and stay tuned to the next video.